just the one thing I wanted to say, Italian summer, I really don't understand the appeal. It's either super sunny and you have to go out with wearing sunscreen and sunscreen only, and then the sun goes behind the cloud, and then you need like mosquito, like the repellent spray, and it's just so annoying. I've been here maybe, I don't know, like 20 minutes and I've been bitten crazy. Like everything is itching. I'm constantly scratching. I'm drinking antihistamines like there's no tomorrow. So like Italy, like the summer, honestly, nice Hansa. Honestly prefer the other seasons more because like the heat is like unbearable, and then the mosquito bites are just not it. Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depends on when you're watching this video. I have here a tape measure and a Sharpie because I want an answer to my rhetorical question that I ask myself every time we come here to the garden, is how fast do the tomatoes grow? Because the speed, in my opinion, is crazy. They should not be growing this fast. Finally, I've also done the research on how you call these things. In the armpits of the branches, they're called side shoots, or just like armpits, whatever. And I will be taking them all off today and seeing how much of them we have this time next week. I'll do that, and then I will mark the height of the tomato plants on these branches with the Sharpie, and then eventually, I guess I don't need the tape measure today, but I will randomly pick like a couple of the tomato plants from various subspecies, because these are cherry tomatoes and we have the big ones and then we have the San Marzano. I will randomly pick a couple from each just because I don't want to measure them all, and I will go through and remove all of the side shoots. I will prune the tomatoes. I did all my research today, guys. I know all the fucking terms that I was unsure about previously. And yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll check in a couple of days, and then again and again and again. So this is a tomato plant, and these are the side shoots, shots, whatever. I will prune these. I will take these off. It's called an armpit because it looks like an armpit. I'm pretty sure I removed all of them last week, like all of them, but they're back everywhere, like here, this one obviously, then this one, and all of that. But now I will make sure I really remove all of them from all of them. And then, yeah, I will leave the ones that are like this just to see how fast they grow. And then, yeah, just pick a couple of random ones from each subspecies and then act accordingly. Then I guess tomorrow or the day after, I'll also have to come and attach put some more string around to see how it goes. But yeah, now I'll listen to some audiobooks and get to work. I'll take I'll measure the time. I don't have a watch yet, maybe tomorrow. But I'll measure the time, how long it takes me to do all of this, because I'm sure it'll be quite a while. So this is what happened. There's like quite a bit of the armpit things, and this is how I've measured the tomatoes. Just understood I didn't plug in the microphone, but that's okay. So yeah, this is how I measure them. Like, this is exhibit A, and then we have exhibits like G. I think the last one I made was J. Exactly. So like, if I lift the leaves, it reaches the J or the crooked I. And yeah, that's it for the day. Stay tuned. This is the, and like, yeah, like, this is the D. We'll do a comparison in the days to come. And either I'm crazy and I did not notice this thing yesterday, or it grew in one day. Both options are valid. I don't know at this point. I was so careful yesterday. It could be that it grew already. I don't know at this point. I really don't know, but you know, this is something to take into consideration. I am shook. Firstly, this thing, completely new. Then the measurement of this thing, it is a bit taller, isn't it? This thing didn't exist. I think I showed it in the last video, though. I might be blanking. Also, this thing, you are not ready for what you're about to see. This is exhibit B. Boom. This is how much taller it is. Then we have exhibit feet. Then we have exhibit I. Well, and these ones are the like slower growing ones. Definitely, like, the cherry tomatoes are the ones that grow the most. Boom. Where are exhibit B? Exhibit B is actually the best exhibit for our purpose, because this one has grown also in the span of like these days. But now to measure it, boom. Also, I saw another one of those somewhere, but yeah. It is speed here, guys. It is speed. This is a different breed. These are the Sarma, and they don't grow as fast. I'm collecting here the longest ones that I'm finding. This is quite small, I admit, but let's see. Let's go back to the selected ones. Exhibit B has a lot to offer. For example, this thing. Oh, it's difficult to do it with one hand, but it's like 10 centimeters more and a lot more bushier, the ending, because I was also measuring the one like where the highest leaves go, so that is a big difference. Exhibit C, same story. I hope it's focusing. I don't think it is, but it's also like 10 centimeters more. A lot of these small things here that we will have to take care of. This one as well. But honestly, that was expected, because like, it's the cherry tomatoes that cause the problems, and these ones, honestly, because these ones have so many endings. If you can see there, it's like 3 endings, but it's like how they grow. It's not like a problem. See how they have the stem, like the stem is coming like that, so it's just like a different ball game altogether. And they also don't grow as fast. But yeah, it was mostly all the time. It was just mostly the cherry tomatoes. Yeah, these ones have not grown really. And I have to look for the rest of the letters because I'm a bit lost. We have E here. E also has grown very modestly. But I think I'm missing D. I need to find D. That sounds amazing. And I found the D as well. Also has grown incredibly, because as I said, I measured by the
tallest leaf, so it's quite a lot there. There are so many mosquitoes. We're coming in the morning to fight the mosquitoes or like to miss them, but they're still fucking here. And these are this for sure is the winner. It's, yeah, 25 centimeters, 20 centimeters for sure. 20, I would say, 20.
These ones are huge.
Then this one is actually from the big tomato, which is like close second. Well, these are tied, and then there's a lot of these ones that I didn't even collect because they're all kind of the same size. So yeah. So the answer to the question, how much does a tomato plant grow in 1 week? It's like 20 centimeters in specific branches, and like 10 centimeters max in height. I hope you enjoyed this very scientific research with me. Bye.